Now you have succeeded in recorded your video, the tutorial. The next thing is to post it on your YouTube. So before you can post this, you need a title. You also need a description, and your title need hashtag. Let's start with it. Now, when you come to your ChatGPT, so when you come to your ChatGPT, you type, as my assistant, please write title for this topic for my YouTube channel. Text to speech to yeah. Now see what this thing will give you. Now it now says simple and clear title. It gives us about text to speech tutorial for beginner step-by-step guide. Then how to convert text to speech in minutes, full tutorial. Text to speech made easy, beginner friendly guide. Learn text to speech in 10 minutes. Now click YouTube style title. How to turn text into voice text speech tutorial. Create a voice text full beginner. Then go for Nigeria online business. How to use text to speech for YouTube video, no voice needed. You see, so you can now choose the one that then there's one here. There's one here that he has already prepared and also add a hashtag. Then my top recommendation for you channel is how to convert text to speech for YouTube video beginner tutorial. So this is one he recommend. Then CEO title for the video, thumb text that attract a viewer. Because if you are using the laptop, you can use a thumbnail. That we can talk about that one next time. But now for the level we are now, let's let's limit ourselves to this one. So let's copy this one, the one that the ChatGPT recommended, and tell to add the hashtag. Everything is 96 character. So let's see what it will give us. Let's see what it will give us. So where we stop now, we ask ChatGPT to help us to hashtag. Everything should be 97 character. Now this is this. You copy it, then you go to your YouTube studio. then you click up the plus there, you click let's assume that I want to use this one, then you click, then after you click, then it will bring a title. This is title here, you drop it here. So then you try to remove this one, then I think you see now, because everything should be 100 character, but now we have a 91, which is fine. So then what you do is that you move up, you see show more, you see add description. You go back to your ChatGPT and you ask ChatGPT to please write a powerful description with hashtag.
Hello, Moto.
So you can now see this is what in the video you will learn how to, that is it, you copy it, then you edit it, you remove the one that you feel that is not supposed to, like the upper one, you remove it, then copy it again, you go back to your this thing, the YouTube, then you click on description, then you paste it there, then you go back, then you check for public. Let's assume you want to schedule your video, you can come to schedule, then you click on this, you click on date, it will bring time. Anytime you want to select, you select. That's all. It's now on schedule. So if you go back now, you will see that it is selected. You see all the, now it's now, if you click it now, no, not the audience. Now if you see that feasibility schedule, so I want to remove it, I take it back to public. You now see that it's in public now, but I'm not uploading it, I'm just showing it for the sake of this tutorial, so that you know how to post, then you upload. That's all.
Please subscribe to my channel.